You're not. Well, because you'd stay in the car. That's why. You want to go to the dump and see if I get wet, right? Why do you think that's funny? Why is it okay for me to get soaking wet, and I've already had a shower today, and for you to not? What makes that okay?
Good.
What else do you have to say, BK?
Nothing.
Nothing? Go home?
No, I said go.
Upside down.
It's supposed to be. It's flip upside down, so we can kind of. So when you actually view it, it views it right side up. No.
Maybe that's the best giant ever poop.
Is the baby sleeping?
I don't know if he's sleeping or not. Can't see.
I can see
Is
some of
is he sleeping or is he awake?
these sleeping.
Okay.
So I know.
All right.
He's not really tired.
Yeah, I figured. Yep. So. Call Kim. I'll go ahead.
Keep recording.
I want to get the rain. What are you doing?